Here we are, February 2nd, 2011, and this is what the snow looks like. It's got to be, we've got 17.5 inches of snow. I want you to see on our dog that's 95 pounds how tall the snow is, how big the drifts are out to the road. They're really high. They're up to almost to my waist. When I walk to the mailbox, the roads are totally clear. It's 2 in the afternoon. The roads are totally clear, but our driveway isn't. And there's my little Cavalier, totally buried by snow. We're going to get the big truck. We're going to see if we can back it up a little bit. Welcome to Chicago, the northwest suburbs. This is what it looks like. It's hard for me to walk. The driveway is so buried. There's John Peter. He's working. Yay for John Peter. And there's our dog, Bear. Bear. He wants to go back in. He wants to run back in. So anyway, this is a snowstorm we will never forget.